This is a Kenmore stackable washing machine. We're going to take off the lid control, and we got to take this part out first. So I just removed the two bolts that are located right behind. Not sure if you're able to see that. And I used the wrench here to remove it. It's a 5/16, and as you can see, you basically just pull out and you're able to raise it. And now I can reach inside of the lid control, and as you can see, that lid control is broken, and basically we gotta unplug. Okay, the lid has just been removed as I showed you before. Basically that comes out, and as it comes out, I work on the new lid switch. Basically you remove it out. I already put in the new one, and you put it in through that area, and then you put in the rest of it.